Welsh Wales. We'll follow down on her way as she goes way too fast off that drop off. This is going to be all action, absolutely no traction race fans, because as you can see it is wetter than an otter's pocket. The slate is slick. Here we go. Oh, I had to foot down then. The cameraman had to foot down. Anna's smashing it though. Doing well. Nice and steady. Oh, she's got a drift on. Drift on race fans. She's doing good. She's doing good. Oh, she's got another drift on, fans. Oh, readjusted her foot there. We're out of the worst of the Nile now. In a bit of shelter from the valley, as the Welsh would say. In the valleys. Oh! Sketch dogs. She's doing well, she's doing well. Few switchbacks. Oh, she went deep on the first hump there. Oh, peachy, peachy. It's like the movie Pitch Perfect, only it's not perfect. Few loose rocks here, bit of a landslide gone on. We're at the bridge, we're at the bridge. She's switching to red now. Look at the stance on the girl. She has got all of the aggression. Oh, she's off the trail, she's in the mud. Race fans. This is Anna's section. Look at that pedal mark on that rock from last time. The big pedal strike of 2024. We're over the brow, much more control than last time. We're coming into the home stretch. Excellently ridden on the way. Excellent work. Going high or is she staying low? Oh, she's going high. She's on the pro line. She's on the pro line, ladies and gents. Oh, drops it in like a dream. Checks for Bob Wade coming in for a sniper.